everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to define the properties. For defining properties, we are going to add a new property. For the column, we are going to use this thing, set it to concrete rectangular, and then concrete. You can define which one of them you want and use them for a state. You can use this structure and also specials. But for now, we are going to with this rectangular. When you OK on that, this menu is open. We call it beam. For now, you choose from the materials have you created. We create M27, M20, and G60 and G40. We are going to go with M27 or M20. M27 is so over designed, I think, for now, but this is all go to your engineering sense and how you understand that. We go by M20 for now. You can change that in the coming, but for now we go with M20. And for the depth and width, this is a beam. In the beam, the depth is important parameters, but you always must remember the depth of your columns must not destroy your house ceiling. And how I mean destroying that, for example, if you have a story and the length of your ceiling is going to be, for example, 50 centimeters, your beam if become 1 meter or 19 centimeters, it make your ceiling so ugly, and it's in design inner designing make lots of problem. Because of that, we are going to go with the 50, and for the width we are going to go okay, it's millimeter, it means 5 centimeters. We are going to go with 500 millimeters. And also for the depth we are going to go with 250, or you can go higher, but it has some standards. How I tell you, if for example, I'm going to give another session on the standards on my tablet. For the hand drawing, I'm going to teach you that thing. If I forgot, then tell me in the comment, I will create that video. But for now, we are going to go with 525. It's okay. It's do the work and press on OK. Our beam has been created, but we need to modify it. Why? Because when we name it beam, it's have no meaning. It's just beam. We must write the how I say that, I forgot. Write the numbers of the depth and width section dimension on it. I write it like this. I don't know if it is right or wrong, but let's go it and press OK. We have our beam here, and in the next video we are going to define our column. Until the next video, have a nice night.